40 as well. So what do you gin or three, like?
Yeah, well,
yeah, that's what I mean.
Hello, it's me. Just finishing this video with a little look at the bike. I had to record this bit in my garden at the end of the ride, and I'm doing the voiceover afterwards because outside my neighbour's dogs were having a barking competition. So anyway, here's the bike. It's an old BSA from the 60s or 70s. I bought it second hand about 13 years ago. Cost me the grand total of 30 quid, and the original rear wheel was held together with zip ties and a prayer, so that had to be changed. I got this other wheel second hand as well, with a single speed Sturmey Archer gear wheel on the back, chain wheel, you know what I mean. I've got some Alhonga brakes, caliper brakes. Quite deep brakes, as you can see. I've adjusted them up high. Schwalbe Marathon Plus tyres. These ones used to be on my touring bike, and this bike had chunky ones. Air saver folding mudguard. Yep, we're going down to the massive chainring and the pedals. These are single-sided track pedals that I really need to put something else on this bike. They're just something a bit different. SR cranks. I think the chainring's about a 52, so you need to pedal hard to get a bit of speed up. Nice bit of patina on the frame. Old stickers from the previous owner. My Alp kit bags from my bike packing bike. More stickers. There's the bags. I have my camera and the right hand bag, and my phone and keys in that bag just there. And the left hand one, you'll see, had my cap. You'll see in a minute. So you can open them with one hand, easy. So yeah, that's got my cap in. Come on, out it comes. And that's good cap actually, that. Innovate, nice and light. And there's some trail mix in there. Didn't even touch that actually. Didn't need it in the end. Moving around. Those red brake levers are from an old BMX. And that bottle holder is from Planet X. With a clean canteen bottle in it. Then going down, there's a Alhonga brake caliper again. Got those second hand from somebody. More patina on the frame. Old light holding light hat. light connecting bit. Front wheel's just a wheel. I don't even know what make that was. Tyres still got plenty of tread left. And this is me going around the other side of the bike to try and show you the Billy's bike shop sticker. I'll keep that sticker on there because I'm not going to paint this bike. I'm going to keep it as it is. Maybe just clean it up. Take some of the worst of the rust off. Leave some of these original stickers. Well, not original, but stickers on there. That's Billy's Bike Shop. It's an old Cambridge institution. Long gone, sadly. But it was quite a good shop, that. Yeah, I'm just going to clear coat the frame, I think. Take the worst of the rust off. Put some more stickers on and clear coat it. But it was a very nice ride, very nice weather, on a very old but very nice bike. So, cheers for watching. Ta-ra!